Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 6 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with ensuring that you've got the internet connection. You can use the Wi-Fi, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. And then let's enter the Play Store. If you have your Google account currently added to the device, then you will have to tap on this circle. If not, you have to either log in or sign in, so create new account, and then, as I said, tap on the circle. Here we have to tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And right here, for some reason, we cannot search our installed apps. Here we've got the list, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, in my case, I can update only 5 of those apps. So right now we've got 2 different scenarios which you can follow. So you can either mark all of those apps and download all the updates, or pick like 1 or 2 different apps. It's up to you. So let's mark the app you'd like to update. I will pick only Google Chrome and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the update, and after that it will be immediately and automatically installed and applied. So you do not really need to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you can turn off the Google Play Store and do whatever you want on your device. Just wait till the update will be finished. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.